Effects of pollution. Effects of pollution on environment. That is the syllabus and focus of this chapter. Pollution has an intense effect on natural resources and living organisms, including man. All types of ecosystem like forests, rivers, coral reefs, grasslands, wetlands, etc. perform a variety of services for the environment. They provide habitat to plants and animals, improve the quality of air and water, provide numerous resources to man, etc. The functioning of any or all of these ecosystems may be impaired by pollution. The components of every ecosystem and all ecosystems are very intricately interlinked with each other. Therefore, any change in one component may affect the entire ecosystem, and change in one ecosystem can have wide ranging impact throughout the globe or Earth's environment. The severity of impact is even beyond our imagination. Man occupies the topmost position in the food chain, therefore, is most vulnerable to the effects of pollution. Any addition of pollutants can get accumulated in plants and animals. Many of the plants and animals are source of food for man. The effects of pollution may be primary and secondary. The primary effects of pollution occur immediately, just after the contamination takes place. For example, after the oil spills, many plants and animals die immediately after the spilling of oil. The secondary effect of pollution are delayed effects and may persist in environment in future also. Many of such effects go unnoticed for several years. Effects of air pollution. The effects of air pollution are diverse and numerous. Air pollution can have serious consequences for the health of human beings and also severely affect natural ecosystems. Because it is located in the atmosphere, air pollution is able to travel easily. As a result, air pollution is a global problem and has been the subject of global cooperation and conflict. The major effects of air pollution are: number 1, human health. The human health is adversely affected with air pollution. Numerous diseases are caused by man's exposure to polluted air. Asthma, bronchitis, emphysema, and lung cancer are main diseases associated with the air pollution. These diseases may take several years to cure, and in some cases, the affected person can even die. The most serious pollutant is the sulfur dioxide. Its concentration in human body causes cough, breathlessness, and spasm of larynx. It also causes irritation in eyes. It also becomes an allergic agent. When it reacts with some compounds, it makes sulfuric acid, which can damage the lungs. Carbon monoxide is another dangerous pollutant which affects oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. Cigarette smoking is responsible for the exposure to this poisonous gas. The carbon monoxide remains attached to the hemoglobin in blood for a long time. It impairs perfection of thinking, slows down the reflexes, causes headaches, drowsiness, dizziness, and nausea. In some cases, the vision is also blurred. Poisoning by carbon monoxide can even cause death. Nitric acid is another pollutant which causes irritation, and its excess amount causes hemorrhage. Hydrogen sulfide is another toxic pollutant. Lead is often released from vehicular exhaust and can damage the brain. Particulate pollutants like silica, asbestos, and lead affects the lungs. Smog is a type of air pollutant has kill has killer effects. In December 1952 in London, around 4,000 people died due to smog. Elderly people, children, pregnant women are more vulnerable to the effects of air pollution.